rabbehen gaggala siyaadatu bula metaka asbahi garan jabatin qonna walani wanti galee jira garaa khiyabani kaisa galali unen dobate jalala kheetin takatakati alagga baasi fokusa garta jalala khee hunda adabarata duga fi kajibasi fitataba anaf moduga hinsa hinkajiba bareedu simbana bareedu simbana
Ukahati halanahin bareedu nisufa mapegatuke abshisi bedufa name waljalati ana bisi kofani adekhitin wahida bekufa
Urgaan kee halalain bareeda nisufa mapegatuke abshisi bedufa lameen waljalate ana bisi kofani adekhitin wahida bekufa Such a love like the love of Oromia. Love like a beauty in the altar. Support now looking for support too. Had to believe but dreams do come true. What made me? It made you. So please don't speak if it ain't true. Cause I don't know who else if it ain't you. And not a gossip way for them to hate through. Need to focus on truth and being faithful. The type of love that picks you up to raise you. You ain't gotta worry cause I got you. How I read it and I feel it is the same too. They don't understand me but I get you. Just know together anything we can get through.